Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Maps in 2026. Okay, let's go for tutorial video. First open Google Maps. After open, tap your profile picture. Okay, tap your profile picture. After tap your profile picture, tap setting. Tap app display. After tap app display, click 10. After term, the tab always in dark theme. Select it and click save. Very easy. That's it. Dark mode is now on. If you have any question, please comment the video and like the video, subscribe Nice Tech channel for other videos. Good luck.